How to use a home blood pressure monitor. Home blood pressure monitoring is really easy, but you do need to take a few steps. Firstly, be relaxed. Don't smoke, don't drink caffeine, and don't exercise for half an hour or so before you check your blood pressure. Then sit down and relax completely for maybe 3 to 5 minutes. Put your arm at about the level of your heart, so about here. Check on your monitor if you need to measure the artery mark, which is just there, and that goes round about the middle. Ideally, wear loose clothes so that you can either have a bare arm or just one thin layer. And then pop it on tightly, making sure it's the right size cuff for you. Your pharmacist can advise on that. Press the button and wait for it to pump up. When it pumps up, it will feel a little bit on the tight side, but that's fine. It will soon relax down again and then give you your measurement. Now, when you check your blood pressure the first time, you may find that it's a little bit high. Don't worry about that. Ideally, you should repeat the reading twice and keep a note of both measurements. If you're measuring your blood pressure regularly, you'll want to do that twice a day for at least 7 days.